What's up with the family, man? It's your boy Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. About to get ready to jump in this truck, man, and go start this day off, man. Long 12 hours, you know what I mean? Hopefully we get all this stuff done. We'll side in today, so we'll be back tomorrow, finishing like welding, trying to get it welded out. But anyways, I just wanted to say, man, you know know who you are. You know what I mean? Know your limitations, know what you can do, know what you can't do, know what you go for, what you won't go for, and stand for something. You know what I mean? And if others don't like what you stand for, then that's their issue. You know what I mean? But you got to stand for something. And all I'm saying is, stand for your manhood. If you're going to stand for anything else, stand for, your manhood, what you representing. Your ironworker, your millwright, your welder, your fabricator, stand up for that. Let them know this is who I am. This is what I do. You know what I mean? And